Hello, I'm Adrian, the owner of Magnet Group, the premier remodeling company in Central Florida. We've been in business for over 15 years doing home renovation, kitchen, bathrooms, flooring, painting, all interior renovation for your homes. As the next step, we can set up a virtual consultation, or we can go to your place and discuss your needs, your budget, your timelines.
I've used Magnet Group for a wide variety of projects, everything from new flooring, tile, they're amazing with tile, to outdoor kitchens, to you name it, paint, interior paint, exterior paint, demolition, new kitchens. I've used them for everything. I have never been disappointed. Magnet Group seems to really want to get the project done and really want to exceed expectations.
Great success using them in a variety of ways. We first had them for our carpeting in Jacksonville, then we had them for recessed lighting in Orlando. Both jobs were very well done, they were on time, they were good value, and we really liked what we got.
We've been using the Magnet Group for several years now. We found them to be very dependable, very reliable. We've used them for new carpeting, home repairs, remodeling. Every time has been a great experience. They are easy to get a hold of. When they say they're going to do something, they do it on time.
We look forward to delighting you with the kind of work we do.